So we will start the revision for the exams from today. Today I will give you some of the important concepts of the first chapter fundamentals of partnership, and only the highlights, only the important topics in relation to preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, if you remember, related to interest on drawing, different concepts related to interest on capital, different cases related to partners loan and interest thereon, related to managers commission, related to past adjustments accounts, rectifying entry, adjusting entry, related to guarantee of profit to a partner, guarantee of profit to a partner by the remaining partners. These all things are there in chapter number 1. These all the things are there in chapter number 1, which is very, very important chapter also. And the most important is the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. If you remember, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after trading and profit and loss account. It is an appropriation account, appropriation of profit. There is difference between appropriation of profit and charge against profit. The items in this particular account, profit and loss appropriation account, they are all appropriation of profit, means to say that all the items in profit and loss appropriation account are only given when there is profit. When there is profit. If there is no profit, if the firm is in loss, these items will not be debited or credited, will not be charged. When we say charge against profit, when we say charge against profit, then only, you remember trading and profit and loss account? We never see whether it is a profit or loss. उसमें आंसर प्रॉफिट भी आ सकता है और लॉस भी. जितने भी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, all the indirect expenses, manufacturing expenses, expenses related to production are debited to trading account, and all the indirect expenses they were debited to profit and loss account. तो आपने ये नहीं सोचा उसमें बनाते हुए कि फर्म को लॉस हो जाएगा तो ये वाला एक्सपेंस नहीं देते, फर्म को चाहे लॉस हो जाए, बट all the expenses were debited to profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account. चाहे वो आपका वेजेस हो, सैलरी हो, कमीशन हो, रेंट हो, इंटरेस्ट हो, आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल हो, इंश्योरेंस हो, all the expenses were debited to profit and loss account. And if the firm was incurring loss, even then those expenses were paid. But if there is loss, then in profit and loss appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account will not be prepared. जब लॉस हो गया फर्म को तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट तो बनेगा ही नहीं. Are you getting the point? The difference, because it is an appropriation of profit. It is prepared only after the firm has profit and that profit is appropriately distributed amongst the partners. रिधिमा, क्या क्या चीजें होती है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट.
सर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल
ओके.
और वो ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉफिट
प्रॉफिट फर्स्ट
और एनी कमीशन
कमीशन
और क्या होता है, सब तो होता है. सैलरी.
ओके.
एंड बस.
अरसलान.
सर सैलरी, कमीशन, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल,
इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल,
सैलरी,
सैलरी टू पार्टनर्स और एनी कमीशन. Anything else?
इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग.
Here, this side.
This side. Interest on drawing or
Interest
drawing.
on drawing will be charged by the partners.
Yes, sir.
Income, credit side. On the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, there are only two items. One is profit of the firm, and the second is interest on drawing charged by the partners. Harinder Singh, anything else? Ramanpreet.
Sir, debit side reserve, any reserve is created.
Debit side, if the firm wants to create a reserve, that can be on net profit, that can be on distributable profit. Reserve भी create कर दिया. अब जो पैसा बचेगा, whatever amount is left, that will be transferred to partners capital account. That will be transferred to partners capital account. That we will write like this, that the profit will be transferred to the partners in the agreed ratio, whatever ratio is given in the question. If it is not given, you know very well, it is given equally. There are some rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed regarding these items. Archie, can you start with some rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed? When there is no partnership deed, what is the treatment of salary, commission, interest on capital, sharing of profit, interest on drawing? Don't remember, Anamika? This is your revision cum test. This is revision
Sir,
test.
Sir, I am there.
Arslan.
सर वो जो अगर वो है सर प्रॉफिट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इक्वली एंड सर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल विल बी गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स इन 6
6.
at the rate 6%. 6%.
No.
So interest on drawing will be given 6
No.
at the rate of 6%. Charge.
No, please, wrong. That is interest on loan.
Sir, 12%.
Interest on loan is 6%.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Interest on loan will be provided if any partner has advanced loan. So interest on loan to the partner will be 6% if it is not mentioned in the question. अगर पहले से वो 5% के लिए रेडी है all the partners तो 5% होगा, 7 के लिए तो 7 होगा, but if it is not mentioned then it is 6% per annum. एक पॉइंट हो गया. अनामिका, any other point? Vaisali,
So what you have asked, please repeat.
who is asking?
Sami, Raman. Sir, network problem.
What are the rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed? Amit Kumar, Harvinder, ये इसी साल का है बेटा. नो, ये वही तुमसे जो है पिछले साल के उसमें से नहीं पूछ रहे हैं. This is of the current year only. This year only. It will be there in your first term.
Sir.
Pratham.
Sir, I want to speak.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, interest on capital will not be given.
Interest on capital will not be given to the partners. Very good. Number 1. No salary will be given to any partner. Number 2.
No commission will be given.
Number 3. Commission will not be given to the partners. Therefore,
and sir, no new partner can be admitted in the firm.
yes, no partner can be admitted to the firm without the consent of all the partners. Number 4, profit sharing ratio will be equal. Number 5, interest on drawing will not be charged. Interest on drawing will not be charged. Number next, any partner can inspect the book of accounts anytime. Any partner can inspect the book of accounts anytime, even if it is not given. Interest on loan will be allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. These are the points. If you do not know, you will do the numerical wrong. Definitely. Profit sharing ratio will be equal. That is why some of the students ask, sir, profit sharing ratio is not given. What we should do? What we should do? How much we should take? They don't know this rule, that profit sharing ratio is equal whenever it is not given in the question. So my dear students, when I am revising the things, I am also taking your test. Only those who are answering, I will record their name. I will write their name and they will get the marks. Otherwise, out of 20, you are not going to get any marks. तो बेटा जब 100 में से टोटल आएगा ना आपका, तो फिर वो उसमें से 20 तो वैसे ही गायब होंगे. नोटबुक्स जिनकी चेक नहीं हुई अभी तक, अपडेट नहीं है जिनकी, नो मार्क्स. Those who are not regular, no marks. No response in the class, just sitting ideally, no marks. So अब जब तक एग्जाम हो रहे हैं, डेली आई विल बी आस्किंग यू द क्वेश्चंस. इफ यू आर प्रेजेंट एंड आंसरिंग, you are going to get marks. आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा कि मैंने पेपर में इतने नंबर किया था, उसमें इतने नंबर का, और ये मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स मिले. रिया, आंसर समथिंग. If you want some marks, you have to answer. Take full, participation in the test, in the class, and give responses. शीतल, अभी अभी हमने बता दिया ना, this salary is not given, commission is not given, interest on capital is not given, this profit is given equally, interest on drawing is not charged, interest on drawing is not charged. जब आप उनको कुछ देते नहीं है, सैलरी नहीं दे रहे उन्हें, कमीशन नहीं दे रहे पार्टनर को, एंड पार्टनर्स दे आर द ओनर्स, पार्टनर्स दे आर द ओनर्स ऑफ द फर्म. अरे व्हेन देयर इज नो प्रॉफिट अर्न बाय द फर्म, हाउ कैन दे बी given the salary or the commission or interest on capital? Partner will sacrifice it for that year. They will sacrifice this for that year. इसलिए उनसे उस साल इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग भी नहीं लेंगे. Firm will not charge interest on drawing in that particular year. I can see you, Pratham is writing and noting down some points. Very good. That is why when camera is on, it can be seen who is doing what, paying attention or not. Some are simply sitting and looking at the screen as if they are watching some movie. So can you repeat the points, Vaisali?
Sir, interest on drawing, and we will not give salary, commission, and interest on capital. They will partner will sacrifice for that year.
And what else?
And sir, profit also will not be given.
Profit will not be
And
given. Why?
Loss will be shared between the partners.
No.
So profit will share equally.
Profit or loss will be shared equally. When there is no partnership deed, it means profit sharing ratio is equal. Dhruv? Any other? Dhruv?
Or interest on capital not charged.
Yes, he has told interest on capital will not be allowed. Salary will be given to them. Commission will not be given to the partners. Any point left? No new partner can be admitted to the firm without the consent of all the partners.
Any partner can inspect the book anytime.
Yes, any of the partner is free to inspect the books of accounts anytime. Anytime. These are some of the very important points related to the partnership fundamentals. When there is no partnership deed, then these rules are applicable. If there is partnership deed, तो उसमें लिखा ही होगा साफ साफ सैलरी कितनी देनी है, कमीशन कितना देना है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना देना है, रेट क्या होगा उसका, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन पे क्या रेट होगा, वो सब उसमें मेंशन्ड होगा. इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन इज प्रोवाइडेड एट द रेट ऑफ 6% per annum. Interest on drawing is charged. Interest on drawing is charged for six months. Average period of 6 months when the date of drawing is not given in the question. When the date of drawing is not given in the question, it is charged for an average period of 6 months, like this. If 5,000 are withdrawn during the year, then it should be charged for 6 months, because it is not mentioned in the question that interest on drawing, the drawing कब हुई है आपकी? अगस्त में हुई है, नवंबर में हुई है, जुलाई में हुई है. When the date of drawing, month of drawing is not mentioned in the question, interest on drawing will be charged for an average period of 6 months. 12 months are there in the year, so it will be charged for 6 months. Yes, Vaisali?
Sir, if rate is not given, then what rate we will take?
When rate is not given, then why you will charge?
Okay, sir.
जब पार्टनरशिप में ये है ही नहीं कि हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग चार्ज करना है, तो हम अपने आप थोड़ी चार्ज करें.
और सर अगर लिखा है कि चार्ज करने रेट तो दिया होगा फिर
100%,
ओके सर
8%, 10%, 12%, whatever वो agreed होगा, that should be given in the question.
यस सर
ड्राइंग के इसके बाद आपने, if you remember, there are different cases of charging interest on drawing, but only in that case where the amount is same and drawings are regular, where the amount is same and drawings are regular, that a partner withdraw 5,000 per month, or partner withdraws 5,000 per quarter. Per quarter means 4 times. Or a partner withdraws 5,000 for 6 months during the year. In all these examples, you see the drawing is of the same amount. The amount is same, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. And also the time is same, time interval. Either it is monthly, either it is quarterly, or it is half yearly, for a period of 6 months, or for a period of 9 months also. So usme, if you remember, what is the formula? Anybody? Archie?
Sir, time left after first drawing plus time
Yes,
left
sir.
after last drawing upon
Okay.
2.
Upon 2. That is a general formula to calculate the time period. Dhruv has told, I think,
Yes, sir.
formula to calculate the time period. Time period only. ये time period का formula है बेटा. Time
Sir.
after first drawing plus time left after last drawing upon 2. But to calculate the interest on drawing, formula is annual multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by
Rate upon 100 into average period of time.
into time period upon 12. Time period upon 12. ये टाइम पीरियड ऐसे कैलकुलेट होगा, और इस तरीके से आपके पास 12 टाइम पीरियड होंगे. 3 होते हैं हर एक में, एट द बिगिनिंग, एट द मिडल, एट द एंड. एट द बिगिनिंग, एट द मिडल, एट द एंड आपके पास 3 होते हैं, और उन 3 में आपके 4 हैं. एक है मंथली, क्वार्टरली,
half yearly and
देयर आर 4 टाइप्स। आदमी पैसे विड्रॉ कैसे कर सकता है पार्टनर? या तो मंथली करेगा, या क्वार्टरली, या करेगा 6 मंथ्स, या करेगा 9 मंथ्स। ये 4 आपके पास केस दिए। हर केस में देयर आर 3, बिगिनिंग, मिडल एंड एंड। तो 3 4 जा 12 टाइम पीरियड हो गया आपके पास। एग्जाम में 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है। कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग ऑफ मिस्टर अरसलान हु विथड्रू 10,000 rupees at the end of each quarter, at the end of each quarter, yeah at the beginning of each month, yeah at the beginning of each month for a period of 6 months, at the beginning of each month for a period of 9 months। इस तरीके से एक क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा जा सकता है ऑन द टॉपिक इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग, ऑन द टॉपिक interest on drawing। You go through it today, try to solve the questions. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me tomorrow. Questions related to these topics which I have explained you up to I think question number 30 or 35 you will be able to, you should be। मैं आपको टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं। एक क्वेश्चन इसमें से, एक क्वेश्चन आपका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट से रिलेटेड, one question important is of past adjustments, and one is of guarantee of profit to partners। These are very important topics which you have to revise for the exam। In the exam you have to be very very quick। अब जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, टाइम पीरियड क्या होता है वो आपको निकालना आना चाहिए। अगर सपोज मैं इसको ले लूं, at the end of each quarter Arslan withdraw 10,000, interest on drawing आएगा at the end of each quarter का टाइम पीरियड का क्या फॉर्म? at the end of each quarter, in a quarter there are 3 months, 4 क्वार्टर होते हैं। अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर। देयर आर क्वार्टर्स। एट द एंड में करता है अगर, तो फॉर्मूला इज 9
सर 4.5
4.5
4.5। 10,000 इंटू 4 किया है बिकॉज ये क्वार्टरली है, तो यहां 40,000 हो जाएगा। अगर ये मंथली होता 10,000 इंटू 12, अगर फॉर 6 मंथ्स होता 10,000 इंटू 6, एंड इफ इट वुड हैव बीन 9 मंथ्स 10,000 इंटू 9, क्योंकि ये है एनुअल ड्राइंग, ड्राइंग फॉर द ईयर। पूरे साल में कितनी ड्राइंग की है? ड्राइंग फॉर द होल ईयर है। तो इससे रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन आपका आ सकता है, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू रिवाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। आई विल रिवाइज what are the important topics in a particular chapter, and also if you would ask me something I will revise that also। So this is all for today, this is all for today।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
yes
सर जो उस दिन क्वेश्चन दिए थे सर, उसका सीआर आपने बताया नहीं सर।
अच्छा अब उसका फिर मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला बिकॉज वी वेंट आउट। आज उसको सॉल्व करके टुमारो यू आस्क, ओके? या मैं भेज दूं
ओके सर।
इफ आई विल
ओके सर।
सॉल्व। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको बता दिया है।
सर, इसका आंसर क्या?
एंड ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल रिजर्व्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आप देख ही रहे होंगे कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई हैव बीन टीचिंग यू द सेम थिंग फॉर सो मेनी डेज नाउ बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. यू हैव टू बी परफेक्ट इन दैट. तो आपके 8 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में भी वो सही हो जाएगा और सेपरेटली जो क्वेश्चन आएगा उसमें भी सही हो जाएगा. सो यू विल डबल बेनिफिट योरसेल्फ. ओके, so take care of yourself, complete your work, revise for your exam, prepare for your exams, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you. God.
Thank you.